friends, I am Abdul Jabbar from Assam, a carom player. I am very grateful to the organizer of Seabot and especially Balu Bhai, as he have given me the opportunity to play with the world class player, and also I have learned so much from this Seabot. Thank you.
I'm Armar from Canada. Just have a brief message for you all playing the Seabot tournament. Thank you, Balu, first of all, for organizing the 25th edition so seamlessly, so effortlessly. We had 132 participants. I've never seen that number of participants in an online tournament, and the job that you are doing is commendable. Hats off to you. It's not easy managing an online tournament, first of all, and then with so many participants, and then back to back. How do you do these tournaments back to back? The 24th edition finished one day, and the next day you were ready with the 25th. Amazing, unbelievable. The passion that you have for the game of carom is unmatched, and we need the game of carom needs more passionate players and organizers like you. So congratulations again, and congratulations to the teams who made it to the final stages of the games, and wish you guys very good luck for the final games. I hope to play the 50th and the 100th edition pretty soon, and I hope that we continue these tournaments with the increased level of excitement and participation and sponsors and awards and whatnots. And I'm pretty sure you will reach there. Thank you so much once again, and good luck.
Hello everyone. My name is Amol. I am from Charlotte, North Carolina. I love carom. I have been playing carom with Seabot for the last 3 months now. These 3 months have been very exciting for me. It was a fantastic journey. Seabot is a non-profit organization, and probably it is the biggest tournament in today's date, biggest online tournament. And Seabot has players ranging from kids with like 8 years to aged veterans. Seabot has players from like beginners to experts, world class players, champions, and there are very exciting rewards and prizes, cash money, and probably this is the best tournament I would like to recommend to everyone who loves carom. Thank you so much. Bye.
Hi Balu. Heartiest congratulations for conducting continuously 25 online carom tournaments, and I wish you a good success in future tournaments. Good luck.
Hi everyone, and many congrats to Balaji Osuri from Singapore Carom for conducting and completing 25th CBOT online challenges. Hats off, man, for your great effort. With your innovative ideas and your themes, it is giving ample of chances to the youngsters from the age of 8 till the veterans, who are not been playing carom much in the tournaments, but also getting opportunity to come and participate on your online CBOT challenges. We also see international players coming and playing, players like Nishanta, Pierre, and players from India, even Nathar Ali from UAE is playing out there. So hats off, man. It's a great job you are doing, and best of luck for all your future CBOT challenges. Signing off, Mohammad Azam from UACF.
Hello Seabot community, this is Bala from California, USA. Congratulations on reaching this incredible milestone of the Silver Jubilee edition of Seabot. I love online carom. We get to mingle with players from all over the globe. We get to watch and learn from each other and improve our game, and we get to have a ton of fun. As an organizer of another carom league myself, I know how hard it is to keep up to date and do this week after week. So special kudos to Balu and the amazing service he's doing to the carom world. Keep the carom flag flying ever higher, and congrats once again. Cheers.
Hello friends, I'm Samir Quresh from Sri Lanka, lives in the Netherlands. I would like to thank Balaji and the CBOT for doing this great team event. for the 25th anniversary, and I would like to thank again. I really enjoyed the tournament, and I want to wish you all the very best and good luck for the upcoming tournaments. Thank you.
Hi, मैं चंद्रू फ्रॉम कर्नाटका। 25 कैरम ऑनलाइन टूर्नामेंट चैंपियनशिप लगातार चलना इतना आसान नहीं है। ये सिर्फ बालू से होगा और गोल्डन एडिशन भी क्रॉस कर ली है मेरा, ये मैं आशा करता हूँ। 8 साल से 70 साल तक कैरम खिलाड़ियों ने इस नॉन प्रॉफिटेबल टूर्नामेंट में भाग लिया है। वर्ल्ड चैंपियन से लेकर नया सिखाने वाले खिलाड़ियों भी इस कैरम में एंट्री लेकर एंजॉय किया। ये टूर्नामेंट अच्छी तरीके से नॉन प्रॉफिटेबल सिस्टमाइज्ड माना जाता है। मैं और मेरे सभी कैरम फैमिलियों ने बालों को विश करते हैं ये आगे भी सबको चांस देके और नए खिलाड़ियों को भी भाग लेने के अवसर मिले। सभी खिलाड़ियों को नमस्ते और बालू को हैट्स ऑफ। जय कैरम।
Hey, hi Bala. It feels very good to see you conducting CBOT tournament, Carom Balu online tournament, and this is the 25th Silver Jubilee online tournament, and this is really great, amazing. On behalf of all the players, I would like to thank you for organizing such a grand tournament without any profits making, and I wish you all the best for the future endeavors, and I wish all the players to give out the best for the coming matches also, and I heartily congratulate all the players who are doing well for themselves. Thank you. Wish you all the best.
I would like to say a very big thank you to Mr. Balu for conducting back-to-back team championship Carom tournament online, and this now Balu bro has all completed a milestone that is 25 editions as of now, and in a couple of days we are going to step into the 26th edition, and I wish him all success first of all, and want to see many more editions like this, and I know that he will definitely cross the 100 editions milestone as well very shortly, and I would like to say the way how he is conducting this tournament is speechless actually, because every time there is a new theme, and he usually used to decide the theme first, and then he used to put across a question to us, a kind of puzzle to us in the group to check whether we are able to catch him or not, but unfortunately many of the time we failed, and if you see, when there is a team championship, there is always have some kind of controversies, like there won't be a balanced team, there won't be a proper players in a team, there won't be the good scoring players in a team, but as far as it is concerned about Seaboard, there is nothing like that, because every time the team is very balanced, whether it is going to be 11 players per team, or even if it is going to be a 6 or 7 players per team, it is going to be an 100% balanced team. And one another thing is the rewards, whatever the fees is collected, whatever the amount is collected for the tournament, it is entirely spent for the Carom passioners, and it has been equally divided by his dad, and special thanks to Mr. Chari uncle and his support, at this age it is a very big support to Mr. Balu. And then compared to the people playing in CBOT, it is not like only for champions or the state players or district players, whoever it is, but CBOT has players right from the age of 8 till 80s, I guess till 80s. But a wide range of players, where every team will have at least each one player from aged from 8 and from 80s. So it is a perfectly balanced team championship which is Mr. Balu is conducting, and and one more thing I would like to say, the way he addressed the issues in the Spock group, it is awesome, like we could just say like whatever the issue is just sorted out in a single message or in a couple of messages maximum. I like his commitment, dedication towards the Carom, and his passion towards Carom. Everything, it's mind blowing actually. Hats off to you, Balu bro, and I'm happy to be a part of this CBOT. And moreover, the rewards this in such a way that it definitely encouraged every players, not only for the seniors but also this platform definitely not only for a single set of players, and it actually from the novice to the professionals. Novice in the sense, I have seen one great achievement is that I have seen Preeta Princey game in the very initial stages, and now she is emerging as a slam hitter. So CBOT has given such a good platform, and even myself, I was scoring around some 7-8 average for 4 boards, 9 whites and queen, but now I'm averaging almost below 2.2 max, and everything because of CBOT. And I was actually introduced to online Carom by Passion Carom, Mr. Bobbyji, and I used to play there, and I'm still playing in Passion Carom. But CBOT is, back-to-back editions is not at all possible for a man who already has a lot of commitments, a family to take care of, and everybody has family, but of course, but how this Silver Jubilee edition with the maximum number of entries and conducting 2 types of, that is 2 type of league stage matches, and even the Spocks have a different matches now. It's a one-day match, his ideas are we cannot just say it as creativity. It is his manufacturing defect. Balu is actually a manufacturing defect, because he is already addicted to Carom, and whoever he finds in the field of Carom, he'll make them addict to. That is one of his plus. And I thank everyone who has been a part of CBOT till now, and I wish everyone to support the same way how we all did to Mr. Balu. And special thanks once again to Mr. Chari uncle, Subho, Girish, Raghavendra, and other Spocks as well. Thank you so much, and bye bye.
Hello, this is Ganesh from Bangalore. I congratulate Mr. Balu for conducting 25th editions and almost towards 26th edition. It is a very good platform for senior most players, experienced and newcomers, so that everybody can play as a team, and we played different formats. For example, center cuts and 19 coin, any order, and 9 white plus black. So many forward break and reverse break. And because of this tournament, online tournament, at least we will sit in front of Carom and play. So my best wishes to Balu, and thank you so much. ಹಲೋ ದಿಸ್ ನಾನು ಗಣೇಶ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್. ಈ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಮ್ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಬಾಲು ಅವರು ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಒಂದು ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್. ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವಂತೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕೊರೋನಾ ಮಹಾಮಾರಿ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇದೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ನಂತರದಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳೇ ನಡೀತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಯಾರಮ್ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸೊ ಇಂಥ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಲೈನಲ್ಲೂ ಕ್ಯಾರಮ್ ಆಡಿ ನಾವು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸ್ಬೋದು, ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ವಿನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸುಮಾರು ಆಂಧ್ರ ಪ್ರದೇಶದವರು, ಕೇರಳದವರು ಹಾಗೂ ಬಾಲು ಇವರು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳು ಆನ್ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ತುಂಬ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಬಂದವರು ಅಂದರೆ ಬಾಲು ಅವರು. ಅದು ಸಿಂಗಾಪುರದ, ಅದು ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದು ತುಂಬ ಒಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಸಂಗತಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ನಡೆಸೋದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಒಂದುಗೂಡಿಸಿ ಒಂದು ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಸುಲಭ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದೆ ಬಾಲು ಅವರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬ ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಆಟ ಇದೆ. ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಕಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, 19 ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಏನೇ ಆಡ್ಬೋದು, ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಬ್ರೇಕು, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಥರದ ಆಟಗಾರರು, ಹೊಸ ಆಟಗಾರ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ತುಂಬ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದೊಂದು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಇದೊಂದು ಮುಂದಿನ ಎಡಿಷನ್, ಕ್ಯಾರಮ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್, ಬಾಲು ಅವ್ರು ನಡೆಸಿರೋ ಕ್ಯಾರಮ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
Hi Balu, I've been associated with CBOT since third edition, and it's been a very nice platform to enjoy playing carom and also get a feel of the pressure by going live. And it's nice to see it's completed 25 edition back to back and going strong day by day. I am very happy to be associated with CBOT, and especially the way you handle the things. It is really great, and the passion you have on every day to run it smoothly and ensure that things go fine, and handling a lot of conflicts or anything that comes in a way with smoothly and calmly. That's really great. Very happy to be associated with CBOT, and wishing you more and more best wishes for getting this, continue this whole journey on and on, every edition to every edition. Thanks.
Hello Carom players, I am Harikrishna, I am from Hyderabad. I am being a part in CBOT from the past second editions to till now 25th edition. I really enjoyed my game with old class top players to beginners in CBOT, and my game also improved day by day, edition by edition. Apart from this, access for daily making team combination, sending scores and waiting for the result is very thrilling for me. I congratulate to Balu bro because he made it all editions successfully till now. Hope you will be make it Golden Jubilee edition very soon. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Good luck. Have a nice day.
Hi everyone, I am JP from Hyderabad. I take this pleasure and opportunity to thank and congratulate Balu for his outstanding efforts he has been putting since 1 year with back-to-back online tournaments without even taking a single day break. It's truly a phenomenal stuff. When the entire world was literally struggling with the deadly pandemic, it is Balu who is engaging and connecting people from across the globe. Managing it single-handedly with always innovating and improvising with interesting formats in every edition is a remarkable job. There are plethora of things which goes in conducting a tournament, right from selecting the team online to make it transparency, then goes your selection of your spokes, then you need to resolve discrepancies and ratifications if at all you have, then gathering scores from different players and teams is definitely a fight, then finally goes and he updates the scores. Seriously, a big kudos and salute to your sheer passion and perseverance, Balu. And one thing which I liked about the edition is the R&R, rewards and recognitions. Even my both sons have participated in one of his edition, and they were extremely excited to receive the certificate and striker as a token of appreciation and performance. And even I like the entire family of Balu is participating and involved in the successful journey so far. So I can go on talking about his commitment and about his dedication, and I think the entire Carom fraternity is blessed to have an organizer like Balu, who is conducting tournament 365 days. So my best wishes, Balu, for your future endeavors, and you keep rocking, you keep conducting. Yeah, all the best.
Hi all, myself Karthik, one of the core member of CBOT family. Highlight of CBOT, players are ranging from world champions to pure beginners level. Another beauty is it's continuously running, and now we are celebrating 25th edition in a grand manner, and we're going to start 26th edition from tomorrow night. It started in August 2020. It's a great platform to each and every player. It's the only online platform where beginners level players are encouraged and have a chance to mingle with world champions. The format is team championship. Each team has world champions to beginners level players, and every team is balanced. Each and every edition has a different theme, which is a creative and innovative. Awards and recognition given to the players in a creative manner. The hard work, time, dedication towards Carom done by Balaji is tremendous, and hats off to him. Awards are given in a right manner, on timely manner. It is a non-profit online tournament which is conducted by Balaji, and one of the richest online tournament we are witnessing it. Players from different countries like France, Netherlands, Sri Lanka, our own Indian players are participating in this tournament. Hats off to Balaji and the supporters behind him. I am proud to be part of CBOT family. Thanks once again. Bye.
Balu, congratulations for successfully conducting Silver Jubilee edition. We are fortunate to have an innovator like you. Your brilliant presentation skills are unmatchable. I'm always left astounded at the level of dedication and hard work you put in every edition. That's really amazing. I don't know how you manage the pressure from work and home. Your presence visible late night or morning, whether it is Facebook or WhatsApp. Your level of quality work remains unprecedented in online Carom tournaments for sure. We are fortunate to be part of CBOT as a players, sparks, or game watchers. Thank you for your tremendous help for improving every single player, be it a world champion or a rookie. Just because of CBOT, it happens. I'm really happy to be part of this, and I want to be forever in CBOT. Bye.
Hi, this is Linus from Singapore Carom Association. Welcome to the 25th edition of Carom Balu online tournament. It all started during the lockdown last year. From then onwards, it has been continuous back-to-back team championship tournaments across all formats. The participants are from 8 to 80. It has given an opportunity for the juniors as well as veterans to learn from the international players. Not only that, it has also developed a bonding within our Carom community. I once again thank Balu for conducting this back-to-back tournaments on top of his work pressure. I wish every success for this CBOT tournament to go and reach the 50th and 100th edition. CBOT is becoming a brand. No, it is already a brand. Thank you, and I wish every success to Balu and his team. Thank you.
Hi Balu, this is Mohan here, and you are doing a great job. Seabot is a very good platform for everyone. Your creative formats are very interesting, challenging, and also it's a very tough to play also. And there is always enough time and support you given to play for players. I'm always happy to be a part of it and trying to give my best. I wish Seabot a great success. Jai Karam. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nathar Ali from UAE Carom Federation, origin of Kutanallur, Tamil Nadu. When the corona came to the market, we stopped playing carom in clubs and publics. But we were thirsty to play carom in competition. This is time to thank Mr. Bala of Seabot from Singapore. Has contacted online tournaments and introduced more than 150 players all over the world. His dedication, discipline and hard work is proved that he is a best organizer. I am proud to say that I have participated in Silver Jubilee of Seabot and enjoyed all the 5 formats chosen by Mr. Bala. I wish Mr. Bala to continue the service forever. Thank you. Jai Karam.
I am Nishant Fernand from Sri Lanka. The CBOT tournaments are very good and there are back-to-back non-stop team championships in CBOT. There are different formats in playing tournaments are very good, fabulous and creative ideas. There are beginners, sub-juniors and international players play to CBOT tournaments. There are too much prizes and I am very thankful for this to Bal. Thank you.
Hello Balou, this is Pierre Dubois from France, living in Réunion Island. I wanted to thank you for all the good job you're doing in your group CBOT, giving the chance to so many players from many different countries to participate in all the tournaments you're organizing one after the other. Every week there is a new one, and it's really a nice practice for all, and I just wanted to give you a big thanks for all the hard work you're doing. It's really nice, very nice editings you're doing for slams and for all the updates, and really nice job, so congrats.
Hi all, this is Preeti Jakotia from California, USA. I wanted to take a moment to thank Balu for coming up with Seabot platform in difficult times like COVID to stay in touch with Karam. Couple of things I think very highly about Seabot is, first, it is coming up with various unique formats every month to help players develop their strengths and identify their areas of improvement and strengthen their game. Second, I think because it is a team event, it is helping many players to work and build upon their match temperament, which is a great thing. Lastly, I would like to highlight is it is giving us a platform where we are able to play amongst the best of players, the champions in the Karam fraternity, which is very, very encouraging to emerging players like me. So I would say, Balu, you are doing a great job. Seabot rocks. Let us know if there is anything we can help to keep continuing this edition. I know we are in 25th edition. I would like to go this till 50th edition. Thank you.
Hi Seabot family. Actually wanted to share about Seabot and how it's going forward. Very happy to see it's completed 25 and it's still going on. And the format that it follows and the time span it gives for 24 hours, that is in our leisure time we can play. That is really awesome. And the recognitions that we get and the chance to play with the best of the players from different countries like Australia, Maldives, US, of course India, and still bringing so many people together on such a platform and taking it forward in such a way is really no words to describe about that, and feeling very happy that I too am associated with this, and um, and the way Balu is taking this forward, and the great support that he's getting from the Seabot family, that's really awesome, and wishing that Seabot goes on. And to add to this, it has been awesome, like recognizing the players from all levels. All group of players are being recognized. It's not that only the top players are being recognized and the bottom players, and the encouragement that he's giving, that's making everyone to get attached to also. That's really awesome. And of course the Spox, that's great support to Balu, and yes, we all will be supporting like this Balu for taking this forward. Yes, all the best.
Hi, good morning. This is Raghu from Bangalore. Seabot is the best thing that could happen to all carom players during the pandemic. We came across the best players like Sheikh Bhai and others, and also one of the best human beings, I would call him a robo, in Balu. He is never tired, always enthusiastic, and prepared to answer any queries, be it silly or a serious one, 24/7 from any corner of the world. It's really amazing to see him conducting the tournament consecutively for 25 times. And this 25th one, the Silver Jubilee one, is the best that could happen to any carom lovers. Hats off to you, Balu, and I wish you the best. Also, I would like to thank Mr. Girish and Chandrabhat for introducing me to this wonderful word, Seabot.
Hi Balu, Sandeep here. Congratulations and kudos for completing 25 online tournaments. I think it's a remarkable job which you are doing, coordinating with so many players from different regions, different teams, coordinating with their scores and all. It's definitely a tedious job which you are doing so vigorously and sincerely. And I wish you all the very best for your next 25. I'm sorry I'm not been part of your online tournament because of my commitments. Hopefully, sure, in future when time permits, I'll be joining you. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Shahid Elmi from Sri Lanka. I want to thank Mr. Balaji for organizing 25 online tournaments in CBOT. Actually, CBOT is a very good platform for players to improve their skills, and there are a lot of players around the world playing these tournaments, and actually I had a good experience so far, and I hope we will continue this till 100th edition. And congratulations and best wishes for your future tournaments.
Hi Balu, thank you for letting me to be a part of this Seabot family. I'm really grateful for that. Thank you very much. Seabot, I think it has almost been a year that you are running this show successfully. Yesterday we have completed Silver Jubilee, and it is with the same spirit that we have started. I think you are the only reason to make it a grand success. I think I should be really thankful to you. Because of you only, I have really improved my game a lot. I got so much of confidence while playing, and this is the only, I can say, this is the best entertainment for me in this lockdown in the last year. I think that was great help. Thank you very much. About Seabot is a great platform. I have never seen such online tournament. I think Seabot has all kind of players, national, international players we have, with all skills. Beginners, we have beginners to champion like Mohammad Sheikh. I think he is tremendous. I think we have learned a lot after watching his game. And not only that, but we have all the players in India from all the regions. east, west, north, south, and we are playing like a family. Right? You are treating like everyone is great. I must say that everyone is wonderful and everybody is very supportive. And you are the main reason behind this to keep every players together and make it successful. Seabot, this is I think we have all kinds of players. As I said earlier, we have beginners to champions, right? But every player has the same contribution when they're playing. It is not that only one player can make a difference. That is that I think that concept is great. I think you are really great, Balu. Thank you very much, and thank you once again for letting me to be part of this family once again. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shalini Bhatt from Karnataka. I would say thanks to Balu sir and his team for conducting back-to-back tournaments in these hard COVID situations. I really appreciate Baluji as well organizer. He come with new ideas and ways to play Carom every time, like coming up with new themes, forward and backward breaks, center courts, and many more. It was a chance for us to see and play with national and international Carom players. Balu sir encourages all the players to beginners to veterans also. All the players supports one another like a family. 25th Silver Jubilee editions brings us unbelievable awards and rewards to all players. At last, I am happy to say that I have participated all the editions, and now we all almost become like a Carom family. Hats off, Balu sir. Thanks once again. Stay home, play Carom, Jai Carom.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Sheikh. I am from Karnataka, Mysore. I am a national कैरम player. वैसे तो कैरम मैंने बहुत खेली है ऑफलाइन, और जब से बालाजी असूरी का टूर्नामेंट मैंने खेला है सीबोर्ड का, ये अलग तरह से एक एक्सपीरियंस हुई है। बहुत अच्छा लगा है खेल के, अच्छे प्लेयरों के साथ खेल के बहुत अच्छा लगा, और बहुत खुशी भी हुई। और इतना सारा 25 टूर्नामेंट एक साथ कंटिन्यू करना कोई मामूली बात नहीं है। एक बहुत बढ़िया काम किया है बालू ने, ए ग्रेट जॉब मैन। और मुझे लगता है आगे भी ऐसा ही टूर्नामेंट चलता रहेगा ये। ग्रेट जॉब मैन, गॉड ब्लेस यू अगेन, थैंक यू सो मच।
This is Shubho. I would like to thank Balu Anna for the brilliant idea to set up Seabot platform for Carom amidst of the pandemic. It has set up the standard for all the online Carom tournaments. Take a bow, Balu Anna, for organizing back-to-back tournaments for team championships where players all over the world fight for glory. Summing up for 25th edition for Seabot, it was a brilliant edition that I have ever witnessed, and it's a marvelous organization, different setup though, with the panel of spokes, and definitely the players, they have got the high spirit and so much of supportive. Seabot WhatsApp group is something like 24/7. Earlier it was wake up and smell a cup of coffee, and nowadays it is wake up and smell something is there in Seabot WhatsApp group. Take up bow, Balu Anna again. I enjoyed a lot and wish to enjoy more with all the players. Best of luck, all the best for all the players. Thank you.
Hi all Seabot players, this is Shweta.
Though I am not a member or player, still I can't resist myself to say a few words. Cbot is just an awesome and appreciable platform where all the players throughout the world participating and showing their skills. I have seen players from 7 to 70s playing with lots of enthusiasm. At times I do watch the kids playing and think in future some of them will represent their country. Kudos to the organizer, Mr. Balaji Asuri, and my best wishes to all the players. Thank you.
హలో సీబాట్ ప్లేయర్స్ అందరికీ తెలుసు. నా పేరు వేణుగోపాల్, హైదరాబాద్లో ఉంటూ ఉంటాను. నాకు ఫస్ట్ సీబాట్ క్యారమ్స్ అలవాటు చేసింది, ఇలా ఆడచ్చు అని తెలియజేసింది విజయవాడలో దేవకినందన్ గారు. తర్వాత ఈ సీబాట్ ఫేస్బుక్లో ఇన్వైట్ చేయడం టెక్నికల్గా నేర్పింది శ్యామ్ ప్రకాష్. వీళ్ళిద్దరి ప్రోత్సాహంతో ఆడదాం అనిపించి గత సంవత్సరం సెప్టెంబర్లో క్యారమ్ బోర్డు కొన్నాను. మా అబ్బాయి ఇచ్చాడు డబ్బులు కొనుక్కోమని. అశ్విన్ మా అబ్బాయి పేరు. ఇచ్చి ప్రోత్సహించాడు. దాంతో నేను ఆడడం మొదలుపెట్టాను. చాలా థ్రిల్లింగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్గా ఉంది ఇది. ఇట్లాంటిది కూడా ఆడచ్చు, ఇట్లా ఆన్లైన్ ఆటలు ఉంటాయని తెలియదు నాకు మొదట్లో. తెలిసాక ఇది రెగ్యులర్గా ఆడుతుండే. మొదట ఏదో ఒకటో రెండో ఎడిషన్స్ ఆడిది ఊరుకుందాం అనుకున్నాను. ఫస్ట్ 11 ఎడిషన్లో మొదలుపెట్టాను. ఇప్పుడు 26th ఎడిషన్ కూడా వచ్చేసాం. బాగానే ఆడుతున్నాం. మన బాలు గారి సపోర్ట్ చాలా బాగుంది. ఆయన కండక్ట్ చేసే సిస్టమ్ చాలా బాగుంది. అంతా టెక్నాలజీ ఎక్కువ వాడి ఆయన అదేంటి దాని పేరు ఎక్సెల్ ఫార్మేట్స్లో మన ఎప్పటికప్పుడు స్కోర్లు అవి అప్డేట్ చేసి మనకేమైనా డౌట్లు వచ్చినా క్లియర్ చేస్తూ ఎంకరేజ్ చేస్తూ చాలా బాగా కండక్ట్ చేశారు. ఆయన సింగపూర్లో ఉంటున్నారన్నది తెలిసింది. ఆయన అక్కడి నుంచి చాలా ఇదిగా మన ఇండియా ప్లేయర్స్ అందరినీ ఇన్వైట్ చేసి దగ్గర నాకు తెలిసి ఆయన దాంట్లో ఇప్పుడు మొన్న 25th దాంట్లో ఆడింది 132 మంది ఇంకా ఆడాము. అలా ఆయన మెంబర్ బాగా పెరిగి ఇంకా ఇలాంటివి బాగా కండక్ట్ చేయాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. అప్పుడప్పుడు నేను విజయవాడ వెళ్ళాల్సి వచ్చినప్పుడు గేమ్స్కి పెండింగ్ ఉంటే విజయవాడ వెళ్తే మనకు మహేష్ గారు అని ఉన్నారు, టీఎన్ మహేష్. ఆయన సపోర్ట్తో వాళ్ళ ఇంట్లో ఈ మిగిలిన 2-3 మ్యాచ్లు ఆడేవాడిని. ఆయన సపోర్టు వీళ్ళ ముగ్గురు వల్ల నాకు సీబాట్ గురించి తెలిసింది. బాగానే ఆడాను. ఇంకా అలాగే కంటిన్యూ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను. సో సీబాట్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్న బాలు గారికి చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్తూ ఇలా ముందు ఇంకా ఎక్కువ ఎడిషన్స్ చేయాలని కోరుకుంటూ ఉంటున్నాను. ఇట్లు వేణుగోపాల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
भली भली रा भली बालू रे बाहुबली or Karam Bahubali Balu. Is he Bahubali or Karam Balu or Karam Asur? I want to call him as Karam Asur. Asur is part of his last name. Also Asur means Rakshas. Sachin is cricket god, Balu is cricket Karam Asur, Karam Rakshas. You know what, in our Telugu states, if somebody is extremely good at any work, we call him as Pani Rakshasa. So, for the same reason, Balu is Karam Asur. Balu has the letters AU, even Asur has AU. So, you know what AU stands for in chemistry? Gold. So, this gold is on the verge of completing the Silver Jubilee Edition Karam Balu online tournament. I sincerely congratulate Balu on this occasion, and I wish him all the best for completing 100 or even more tournaments. I wish this corona and the lockdown state will not continue for that long. All of us love this 20, right? 19 points plus one striker. But this 20 came in different form, that 2020, and corona hit our lives as well as our carom life. What a carom lover wants to do in such scenario, we are locked down, we want to watch international players playing, we want to play with them, we want to partner with them, and we want to learn from them. And we also want to keep in touch with the game and keep participating in the tournaments. CBOT, it offers everything. There are players playing from across the globe, and they are players from all ages. They are players at all levels, and the teams are so balanced, meticulously planned, and the format, the varieties, innovations, and the 24 hours format especially, it gives opportunity for anybody to play his game depending upon his schedule. So the CBOT actually, according to me, it offers everything at what a carom player wants to do in the current scenario. Thanks Balu for keeping our motivation and the spirit, helping us to keep those things high. We wish all the best for the upcoming online tournaments.